The mother cat and her kitten are very excited as they prepare for a long-term travel.
Mom will be right back.
Bye-bye, Mom.
The mother cat left her kittens in the car to check in for the plane. Oh no! The mother cat realized she was about to miss her flight, so she hurriedly boarded the plane, forgetting that the kitten was still in the car.
Oh no, Mom is already on the plane.
Oh my God! The kitten was afraid that his mother would abandon him, so he drove a car to chase the plane. The mother cat was let loose on the plane, but now she was startled to realize that she forgot the kittens in the car.
Oh no, my child!
So sad the kitten was lying in the car because of the mother cat's carelessness. Doctors rushed to help, but unfortunately the kitten was not so lucky. Don't let your momentary carelessness create late regrets.